Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
Are you looking for the best 3D scanner for your needs? Look no further. This video reviews the top 3D scanners of 2023 available on Amazon. We've done the research for you and have compiled a list of the best 3D scanners on the market. On number 1, we have Shining 3D Einscan Scanner. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line 3D scanner, the Shining 3D Einscan handheld 3D scanner may be just what you need. This 3D scanner offers superior performance and accuracy, along with a number of features that make it stand out from the competition. The Einscan is equipped with a large LED light source, which enables it to take detailed, high-resolution scans of objects. It also features an efficient scanning speed and a long working distance, allowing it to capture even difficult-to-scan objects with ease. The Einscan is also extremely user-friendly, making it an ideal choice for those who are new to 3D scanning. On number 2, we have Creality CR Scan 3D Scanner. The Creality CR Scan Lizard 3D Scanner is a powerful and affordable scanner designed for hobbyists and professionals alike. With its intuitive interface and precise scanning technology, this 3D scanner makes capturing objects quickly and easily. The CR Scan Lizard features a 0.15mm scan resolution, enabling you to capture intricate details of your objects. Additionally, its compact design and portability make it the perfect choice for scanning on the go. This scanner also comes with a range of features that make it easy to use. For example, the included software allows you to post-process the scanned data for further optimization and accuracy. Additionally, the scanner has an impressive scanning speed of 8 frames per second, meaning you can quickly and efficiently capture objects of any size and shape. On number 3, we have 3D Maker Pro 3D Scanner. The 3D Maker Pro 3D Scanner is a great choice if you're looking for a reliable and affordable 3D scanning option for 2023. This scanner is designed to offer high-end results at an affordable price point. It can capture objects up to 100 x 200 x 500 mm in size, with an accuracy of up to 0.1 mm, making it suitable for many different types of projects. This scanner also has a very user-friendly design, which makes it easy to use even for those who are new to 3D scanning. The 3D Maker Pro 3D Scanner also includes an intuitive software that makes it simple to operate. Additionally, the scanner comes with a robust selection of features such as dual cameras, adjustable lighting, high-precision laser tracking, and automatic calibration. All of these features help make the 3D Maker Pro 3D Scanner a reliable and powerful tool that can be used to capture the perfect scan. So these are some of the best 3D scanners to buy in 2023. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe to my channel for future updates.